Now this is class third C. Class third C. Third C. Subject GST date 29/9/2020. In this lesson, we are going to start a lesson. It is lesson 11. Light and sound. Lesson 11. Light and sound. So, lesson 11. Light and sound. Light and sound. So, page number 61 is number 61. Now see the page number 61. Pre-reading questions. Are you able to see in a dark room? Are you able to see in the dark room? I think no, you cannot see in the dark room. No, we cannot see in the dark room. Next, do you know some animals that can see in the dark? You know that some animals are able to see in the dark. You are familiar to some animals as owl, but many nocturnal animals are able to see in the dark. But some animals are able to see in the dark, but we cannot see in the dark. Can you name some things that give you light? Can you name some things that give you light? You are knowing something which gives you light. You know, candle, bulb, etc. These are the things which give us light. So aim. What is aim of this lesson? Aim. Aim. What is aim? To tell the children to tell the children about light and sound. Light and sound, they are the two forms of energy. Light and sound, two forms of energy. So in this lesson, first the pre-reading question. Are you able to see the dark room? You have to answer these questions. Do you know some animals that can see the dark? And can you name some things that give you light? 3 questions are there. Now aim to tell the children about light and sound. These are the 2 forms of the energy. So light we cannot see in the dark. We cannot see in the dark. Light enables us to see things around us. Suppose we are standing in a room, in a lighted room. Suddenly, our friend switch off. Then what will happen? We can see the object in the room. No, we cannot see the objects in the room. Again, when our friend switch on, then we can see the objects in the room. All the things were available, but we cannot see them in absence of light. Light is a form of energy which enable us to see the objects. So we cannot see in the dark. Light enables us to see things around us. It does not have weight. It does not have weight or take up space. It is a form of energy. It does not have weight or take the space. It is a form of energy. Sun. The sun is the natural source of light. The sun, two types of sources are there: natural sources and the artificial sources of light. Natural sources, the sun is there, and some animals as the glowworms are also the organisms which are the natural sources of the light. The artificial sources are man-made sources, are the bulb, tube light, candle, etc. etc. So, the sun is the natural source of light. Sunlight makes the daylight. Sunlight makes the day bright. Sunlight makes the day bright. We make use of sunlight to see things. We make use of sunlight to see things. Candles, light bulb are some man-made sources of light. Candles, light bulbs are some man-made sources of light. Thus, we get light from natural sources and man-made sources. We get light from both natural and man-made sources. The objects that give us light of their own are called luminous objects. So we see that some objects emits light. Such objects are called as the luminous objects. As stars, glow up, lighted bulb. These are sources of the luminous objects. So, candles, when these are the lighted, these are the sources of these are the objects which emits their own light. These are called as the luminous objects. So thus we get light from natural sources and man-made sources. The objects that give us light of their own are called as the luminous objects. Examples of luminous objects are the sun, lighted candles and lighted bulbs, table, stone, book, shirt, bread do not give out light. These are examples of the objects which do not give their own light, as table, stone, book, shirt, bread, etc. etc. These are the objects which do not give out light. Objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. So, the objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. So you can make a chart in which you have to write the name of some natural sources of light and man-made sources of light. Another, have also make a list of some luminous objects and some non-luminous objects. Thank you. That's what we have.